fam? Hope this message finds you all well and your spirits well. Well, today's the day we're actually going to try to drive almost 1,000 miles in one day to break in the car. That's right. Apparently, I thought it was 500 miles for break-in, but I read the manual and it says 1,000 miles of break-in. We're going to meet in the middle. We're going to go all the way. Meet up with our buddy Tyler, Muscle Empire, take a drive. We're going to run all over town. One of the things about what the manual said was that, you know, I don't want to just, it said vary your driving operation. You don't want to just go on the highway for like on 995 and drive 1,000 miles in 7th gear and cruise control. That's not how I do it. You want to really lubricate everything, get everything good. Please remember, you're probably wondering where it's at. Petrolworks 2020 GT500 giveaway.com. It's going phenomenal. I'm so excited to hand the keys to somebody. So check out the website. New merch daily really helps the channel, helps someone's getting closer to getting one the more entries you get. Also, a somber moment, wanted to recognize something that a sad thing I found out, and I actually found out who was a subscriber. Charles Ford, a subscriber and a Mustang enthusiast and a veteran. Sadly, he passed away before his Shelby GT500 arrived, and I found it on Shelby GT500 Nation on the forum. Just wanted to give him a shout out and just you know, thank you for his service, and you know, sorry to his wife for his loss. Kind of broke my heart, but dedicate this break-in miles to him. And you know, he hit me up on Facebook Messenger, and we were gonna do some drives together when he got his 500. So, you know, Performance Blue, we're dedicating this video to him. But anyhow, just wanted to give you that note. Cold start. Let's break these miles in. Before the jokes start, there's no tick. All right, y'all, so we are here with the MIA guy.
I was gonna say, we don't know what to call me, huh?
Muscle every day. Now, Tyler has been working hard at Gateway Classic Cars, but
yeah.
Funny story, he hated the green.
I did, honestly. Well, here's the problem. We saw the green with white stripes, and the green needs black contrast.
Yeah.
And I never got an opportunity to see that.
They didn't have one like this set up over there in Vegas.
So I hit him up when I saw a car. I was like, what do you think about the green, bro? Like, honestly.
Yeah.
When I saw it in person with the black stripes, I actually really like it. It's probably one of my favorites. Between, I think, wow, these tires are junk.
Yeah, oh yeah. We were talking about that, like what tires to put on, because what were we saying? I told you Street Speed and Iconic said the R888, so they're go-to.
R888s are awesome.
Which way did Duncan?
Left.
Yeah.
R888s are awesome tires, and they look, I think they look the best. And they make them in a bazillion sizes, which is cool. But we live in Jersey, and you're not at 860, 900 wheel horsepower power level. So, I mean, a friendly tire, and I was just talking, you have familiar with the tire already, is the NT05R.
Yeah, that's what I was actually, I was looking online last night, and it's funny you said that, because I got this off camera. I was like, I was thinking the same thing, because the ET Street SS is not wide enough that I found yet. I'm sure they make it 315 width. I found 305 width, but the Nitto NT05R comes in 315, 30, 20.
Yeah.
So,
NT05R,
you might want to try that.
And you get some mileage out of that tire.
You did. I did. I got a ton.
Yeah.
And I used it on the Mamba, so we'll try it with this.
It's not impossible to use in rain or anything like that.
No. I would have to drive to the drag strip where we end up going.
I mean, the tire argument's never ending.
Yeah.
I see you've become a paddle man.
I'm just playing with it. I'm just trying to learn it. You know what I mean? Well, we went to hang out with the original Incredible Hemi, and we found something that we had to fix. Thankfully, he has the kit. So it's a good thing, but look what we found.
Didn't take long.
Didn't take long, but he's got a...
At 240 miles.
Yeah.
It's coming. She's
Maybe
a-coming.
Doesn't have enough torque to get the job done.
No.
Oh, look at that little sucker.
It's a baby one.
I don't think it went through.
That went through. Let's plug this. I'm so anal with this new car. I'm like, I want it plugged now.
I can plug it, but I gotta make sure. I don't want to just jam a hole into your thing for nothing.
Oh yeah. Let me see. It didn't go through, dude. There's no way. There's no way it went through.
Because look. I don't even think that nail will go deeper.
No,
Let me see that little tiny ass
See
thing.
if it'll go.
I'll let you know, yeah.
It didn't even go through.
There's no way, dude. It would have just.
It would have had to go through this
Yeah,
rubber
no.
and then this
No, we're
rubber.
good. We need to go on a road trip because I need to get this car out. 270?
You need 500, right?
Well, they say 1,000, but if I do 500, I'm fine.
They say 1,000?
This is 1,000.
They just beat the shit out of these cars in Vegas. 10 miles on them.
I know. Listen, for me, my 500 is good enough for me.
500 should be fine. I mean, dude.
I think they say 1,000 so they don't get like in trouble. Like if you beat the car at 999 miles.
Has a vehicle actually broke for the break-in mileage, one of these kind?
I don't know, maybe someone comment below and
has
see
it
if that's
actually ever
no.
happened? I need to know this.
I'm gonna go for
I
500.
would do 500.
I'm gonna do 500 because it's GT500. How about that? All right. We're at 244. I think we're pretty much broken in. Let's go.
All you gotta do is seat the valves, honestly. It's all
They're seated. Remember, I built this car myself, you guys. The people who did see that video, it was all me. Couldn't post it for legal reasons. We're headed to Custom Coating's new shop. They got a new shop.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, all the revenue he made best off of my, you know, all the views.
All your clout.
He's like, I literally got no customers.
It looked like a sun-washed Skittle on the video.
Yeah. So Joe's looking at the car to see what we're gonna do. So what's the plan, brother, again? We're gonna PPF the car.
Yep.
So what are your thoughts? The front bumper, hood, talk to
Yeah,
me.
initially to get you by till the car show, hood, front bumper, do the stripes because they're vinyl and they've got swirls in them.
Yeah, if you guys don't see that, we already have swirls in the vinyl there, sadly. But Custom Coating's gonna take care of that with the PPF. That's paint protection film, and you know, make it good.
Do the
So
whole front black strip too. Fog light housings. Just make sure everything's covered up.
now I've usually ceramic coated a car. What's the deal with PPF? Like, what is
So film's going to protect anything against impact.
Got it.
So ceramic coating doesn't do anything against impact protection. Film's normally, you know, anywhere from 7.5 to 9 mil thick, depending on the manufacturer. So that's going to cover everything for impact-wise.
Okay.
Ceramic coating is going to be, you know, that real high glossy finish, ease of maintenance, makes the car hydrophobic, easy to wash.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to prevent scratching because it's hydrophobic. Because when you're drying it, you're going to be drying it with a leaf blower as opposed to using a cloth.
Okay.
That's where a lot of the scratching. This is where probably either like improper washing of the dealer or drying it,
yeah?
or applying spray wax improperly, that causes, you know, all these fine scratches. Plus it's vinyl, you know, gloss
Yeah.
black vinyl is only
That's just inevitable.
only so good. That's why
Yeah.
we have the gloss black PPF now, which we're gonna do on the giveaway car.
Yeah. Okay.
So it'll be nice to see the difference there.
Yeah. Stay tuned for that. Custom Coating's gonna also do the giveaway GT500. So it's got a lot of 500s ahead of him. So he's doing your car and my car. What do you think about putting gloss black Shelby letters at the bottom there, just to kind of?
In there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be nice to do the green too.
Ooh.
Yeah, like color
Ooh.
matched.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Well, like I'll defer. Like you have a good eye, so we're gonna drop the car off on I think Monday or Tuesday, and then when you get it back, we'll surprise the audience with what you do with the letter. All right. So just so you guys know, Joe has a good.
Oh, I got called out on this.
No, you have a good eye. Joe caught something that our stripes are actually uneven. So at the bottom there, you can see
So
how
they
that's.
just they angle in like this, right? So
Yeah.
most likely from the factory, it's a pre-cut width. So when they put them on, because this bows, so they're gonna naturally angle in. So we'll just take them off and use
Joe will realign it.
knifeless tape and
Whew.
get it squared up.
Thank God for Custom Coatings. I would never imagine people would have PPF that
Already.
already with the stripe being off. So He's gonna read. You can see it from here more. How it's
So,
just a cool accent, yeah.
Exactly.
All right. It's very mature. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, I feel like you have a PhD when you drive it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Killing me.
Your IQ points went up at least 0.6.
Listen, if you want to get roasted by your installer, please go to Custom Coating's awesome.
That's an additional,
Yeah.
additional charge.
Yeah.
For you, it's free.
Break in the GT500. Oh, that's how you do it.
Nice.
Turn left now and then make a U-turn.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, this is how you break in the 500. A little joyriding. Dude, of all the fun today I've had, that was the most fun. Oh yeah, dude, that sounded so good. The whole time I was like, I need exhaust, I need exhaust, I need exhaust. It sounded so good.
That was fun. You still sounded good though.
Dude, that was fun. What is done? People who are probably gonna watch, what is done to your car mod-wise, bro?
Okay, so it's full bolt-on, right? So I'm gonna try and get it right. So it's got all new pipes all the way through, down pipes, straight through, high flow cats. It's got the E85 on the flex fuel.
Gotcha.
It's been dropped, I think, 2 inches as well.
Yeah.
As well. A few pumps. I think that's about it.
Woo! I love the black.
Just under 800 horsepower.
Jeez. Godzilla. You got a HELLCAT. This is my kind of party right here. These look pretty wild together. What's up, sir? What do you think?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
That thing really is.
All that hard work.
Had to come back to our spot. It's funny is how comfortable it is. Isn't it like super like relaxing in there?
It's fast too, right?
Oh yeah.
Fast.
It is fast. Yep. Remember, I put the door on, so. HELLCAT owner. Yeah, it's a big special day. It's a big occasion. Oh, what a day. At a V, like you're coming at a V. You're good there. You're good. You're good.
I didn't realize who it was.
Perfect.
That's perfect, yeah.
This has been a fun day of driving around. Woo! That GTR just took off. These cars are crazy. Car looks mean, dude. Look at that. Woo.
Yeah, I figured we were in the middle of nowhere and he said he ate here before, so I figured we're gonna eat in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Well, we had a full day of driving. We went all over the planet. No, just went all over our area. We got to 400 miles, which is pretty good. We're almost there. I don't think once I get past 500-600, I feel comfortable. The car is pretty much, you know, where it needs to be. But I haven't redlined anything yet. Just kind of been driving. Like I said before, I wanted to vary the driving. You know, get in and out of sport mode, track mode, normal mode. Do some pulls. We had some fun with it. My buddy's HELLCAT and GTR. But the car feels great. Feels great. What a day at the office, if you will. So, anyways, stay tuned. We're taking this incrementally, so racing is coming. We just gotta get a tire and some other stuff. Appreciate your support. Like and subscribe. GT500giveaway.com, because you guys know it never ends.